In this video, you will learn how to log into the site and to post a blog entry. To start, type in the URL, the web address of the site, into the address bar of your browser. When the site is loaded, scroll to the bottom of the screen and click Sign in to edit the site. Enter your username and password as supplied separately. This takes you into edit mode. You will know this because you have the edit button up here, and on the right hand side there is a dashboard button as well as the sign out button. If you hover your mouse over the dashboard button and take it to right and left click on right, you will come to the blog entry dialog box. Delete the crop image window and you are invited to add a name and short description to your blog entry. You will notice that what is called a URL slug will appear underneath. Please ignore this. This is just part of the content management system that runs the site, producing an internal page name. Then you're invited to briefly describe the post, and this will be used in the published article. Then come down, right down to the content entry part. Now this interface should be familiar to you from using any word processing system. Here you type the text of your blog. Now I'm going to paste a piece of text that I copied earlier. In this interface you can of course embolden or make a different color. The text or the background to the text. And then you are invited to add tags. They are optional. Your tags should be short, 1, 2, at most 3 words. And they should relate to the content of the post. Now you can then save your post as a draft or preview it, or as we're going to do here, go straight to publication. And here you can see the page that displays what you've just written. If we go to the home page, and we scroll down to the bottom of the screen, we can see our entry here. If we click on it, it takes us to the page we were just reading a second ago. If we want to edit this page, we would simply follow the procedure that we've just done, namely log in, click on the blog post at the bottom of the home page, or go via the main navigation. And here you will see, with slight animation, the blog entries, the newest ones starting from the top left. Since we're in edit mode, we left click the edit button, and we scroll down to the text that we entered previously. If you hover the mouse over the block, you will see that it turns grey. This means it is now editable. And if you left click the mouse and choose edit, you're able to edit that text. And here we are going to delete and change the font of this section. And we're going to go straight to publish. If we wish to delete this post entirely, we make sure we're logged in. We go to this post and we hover over the edit button and we choose delete. We will be asked for confirmation, and not only does this post get deleted, but reference to it both here and in the home page will be gone too. If you have many blog posts and you wish to go to one that is not easily findable, you can hover over the dashboard button and go to Full Site Map. This tree structure shows the main pages and their subpages, and you will see here that blog has 4 subpages, and if I left click the plus sign, it expands on those, and I can see the name of my recently created page. And if I left click on that and then type visit, it takes me immediately to it. That may have been a different page, but you get the gist of it. You can then delete, edit, and so on. So 2 ways to get to your post. Lastly, of course, you should sign out.